This jungle is my home. My mom and dad flew away when I was little. I have friends here, but no family. My friends live here with no family. Even though I love them, I want to find my family.
I know how you feel, Butterfly. I miss my family, but I'm glad I have all you guys for friends. I hate to see you sad, Butterfly. I miss my family too, but I'm glad I have all you for friends.
Cheer up, Butterfly. I missed my family too, but I'm glad I have all of you as friends. Aw, thanks, guys. You're the best. You're welcome.
Let's play hide and seek.
Not it. Snake, you're it.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Found you, parrot. How do you find me? I could hear you giggling, silly.
Now we just need to find Butterfly.
Come out, wherever you are.
I was flying so high that you couldn't see me. That was fun. I feel a little bit better now. But playing that game made me thirsty. Let's all drink some water. I've decided I'm leaving to find my family.
It's too dangerous.
Well, what if you guys came along with me?
Yes, it's a great idea. When should we leave?
How about right now? Great idea.
Well,
Let's go. Follow me.